Hey everybody, it's me Zoe, and yes, today I am filming outside because inside the lighting was just really crappy. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing a wish list for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and also some things that I recommend you guys get, and yeah, also a special coupon code for y'all. Yes, so let's just get right on into the video. So actually, I got sent like 2 of these posters, because I think it's because my mom has an account and I have one too, so it's probably why. But anyways, yes, let's get right into it. So right here we have September 1st, and on On September 1st, we have the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X 360 Eye Renewal serum. I'm not going to be getting that because I don't really need that right now, but yeah, we also have the Peter Thomas. Sorry, I just mowed a lawn, so I'm kind of tired. Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM Eye Cream. I'm not going to get that either just because I don't need it, honestly. So, whoa, brightness. Anyways. No. Yeah. Also, the Benefit Cosmetics Professionals. I don't want the Professionals, really. I just don't feel like it's necessary for me, so I'm not going to be getting that. But on September 2nd, which is right here, September 2nd, I do really want the Ofra highlighters. I've never ever had an Ofra highlighter. In fact, I've had very few high-end makeup products, so yes, I do want that. They're $14.50 each from $29. I don't want the Foreo Luna Play Plus. And on September 3rd, the Becca Hydro Mist Powder and the Mario Badescu Rose Hip Oil is on sale. I do want the Rose Hip Oil, not the powder. I am happy with my powder right now. The Rose Hip Oil will be on sale for $11. I really think that would be fun, but yeah. Now, on September 4th, we have the Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, 4 count and 8 count. I'm not going to be getting these. I don't feel the need. Yeah, so we also have the Bare Minerals concealers. I will not be getting the stick concealer, but I do want the serum concealer because I've been loving serum concealers lately. I just got an e.l.f. one. I'm wearing it today. Wow, it looks kind of glary. Oh, it just got bright again. Okay. Yeah, I do want the Bare Minerals Bare Pro serum concealer. Yeah. So, oh gosh, okay, September 5th, we have the Tartiste Double Take Eyeliner. I don't need an eyeliner. And we have the MAC Lipsticks in Diva or Cream in Your Coffee. I do want the Cream in Your Coffee. One, it's more like a brownie nude, and I love brownie nudes, so. But the last thing for September 5th is the Mira Nutrient Charged Water Gel Moisturizer, and I do not want that, so. September 6th, the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. No, I do not want that because I did just get a mascara from e.l.f. and I like it, so we're good for that. Okay, and then I don't want the Perricone MD High Potency Classics collection, so don't need that. Okay, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Yeah, I don't feel like I need a brow pencil. I don't really do anything with brows ever. They're pretty full. I mean, they're not amazing, perfect, but they're good. I also do not want the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. That is for September 7th. Now, September 8th, the Too Faced Natural Face and Eye Palette. I do want the Natural Face Palette, but I don't feel like I really need it. So I don't think that's going to be on my wish list. And then the Smashbox Photofish Foundation Primer Super Light or the Redness Primer. I don't need those either. Or the Derma Doctor Kaduku C Serum. Don't need that either. And then for September 9th, the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. I really don't need powder right now. And then the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I do want that, but I don't think I need it because I literally just got a serum like maybe half a week ago, or a week ago. Anyway, September 10th, the Too Faced Tutti Frutti palettes. I really want the Tutti Frutti raspberry palette, but I don't need it again. And then the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. I also don't need that. Now, the Buxom Plump Line lip liners, $90 each. I do want those because I really don't have that many good lip liners, and yeah, I feel like it'd be great. And the Proactive Select Cleansing Set, I do want that because I'm almost out of my Proactive stuff, so I need more of that. September 12th, Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Okay. I might get that one because I feel it's just so intriguing. I don't know. I feel like I really want that one. And the Mario Badescu Cleansers. No. The Amazonian Clay Blush Highlighters. I do want a blush, but I'm more leaning toward like a stick blush. Maybe an honest blush. That's what Tati likes. So maybe I'll try that out because that's a drugstore. And then the Clarisonic Cleansing Brush Heads. Don't have one of those, so I don't need it. Yeah. September 14th, Kylie Cosmetics Matte and Velvet Lip Kits. I don't really like liquid lipsticks that much. They're just really drying and yeah. Oh, it's like no. Okay. And then the It Cosmetics Body Foundation. I am good with the foundation I have right now. I feel like I need a tinted moisturizer, but I think that is a tinted moisturizer. But I mean, like, anyways, the Philosophy All Night Cream. I don't need that. And the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Wax is free on the 14th of September, so that's real nice. September 15th, we have the Tartelette in Bloom Clay Eyeshadow Palette for $19.50. I don't feel like I need this, but they do have the Too Faced Select Hangover products. Like, I have the setting spray, but I super want the primer, so I do want the primer, guys. I really want the primer. September 4th, It Cosmetic brushes for Ulta on sale. I don't really want that. And the Strivectin Wrinkle Recode Line Transforming Melting Serum. I don't need that either. I don't exactly have lines that much. Except for like under eye lines, which is just normal. Yeah, anyways. September 17th. Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, Light or Deep. Don't really need that, and I don't need the Zero Vital High Dietary Supplement. Yeah, I don't really need those. And then September 18th, we have the Pure Lashes and Mascaras are on sale for $4 to $11. I might get a pair of lashes. I really want a pair of lashes. I've never had lashes. No. And the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, no. Lancome Billionaire Skin Solutions, no. Okay, September 19th, Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick. Again, I don't really like matte liquid lipsticks right now. They just don't interest me because they're just drying. Like, yeah. And they make your, like, lip lines look really weird. And then the Origins Travel Kit. Might get that because it's $15, you know. It Cosmetics, September 20th, It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. No. It Brushes for Ulta, the concealer brushes, no. The Clinique Moisture Surge, I might get that. It's only $10.50 for an ounce, which is like the size of foundation. Yeah, usually $21, but I really do want that. And then lastly, on September 21st, we have the Urban Decay eye pencils. No. The Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, I do want that. The Juice Beauty Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Serum or Moisturizer, I don't want that. Now moving on to the things that are on sale all the time. So you have the Lorac Pro Palette 2 Lipstick Queen Shade Shifters lipsticks. None of those. I don't want the Lily Lashes or the Velour Lashes. I do want the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Glosses at sale for $12.60. And the Double Duty Beauty, the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, which will be $15. I don't want the Tender Flesh Blush. I don't want the Beauty Bakery stuff. Or the Stila and Becca, like the Stila liquid lipsticks or the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors. But Urban Decay does have a buy two get one free mini thing. So like all of their minis. And then the Pure Lip Mist Setting Spray. I do want that. I got like a bug in my mouth. Yuck. Butter London Mascaras. No. Buy one get 50% off Nude Sticks eye things, those. Yeah, no. And then the Smith & Co. Veiled Threat Foundation. It says like hydrating yet matte. I don't like matte foundations at all. So yeah, no. The Dose of Colors eyeliners, no. Bare Minerals skincare, maybe. I want the Skin Longevity Vital Power Serum. And then the Crystallized Collection from Smashbox on sale. I want that highlighter. Yeah, and then Anastasia bronzers. No. So yeah, this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys back later for my new makeup haul and testing. Bye!